So this is my 2013 Yamaha XV250 Virago V-Star. Virago V-Star, same thing. It's on neutral, semi-warmed up, not totally. This is what it sounds like with 6 holes drilled into the baffles. So if you're wanting to make your bike louder without spinning anything, you could drill the baffles out, but I currently don't have a hole saw to use right now. So instead, I'm showing you what it sounds like with the holes drilled into the baffles. And you could tune the idling however you want. I have it set pretty low, but you could go lower if your bike, you know, however you want. But this is how I have it, and this is what it sounds like.